Sometimes, you may find the print management console missing from your computer. Now, if this is also happening to you, here are some potential solutions to fix the problem. Now, what you can do first is try to restart your computer. This might fix the problem if it's a simple glitch. But in case restarting does not work, open Start menu and search for printmanagement.msc. But if that option does not show up, you have to open Settings, select Apps, click Optional Features, choose View Features, search for Print Management in the next dialog box, and once you find it, click on the Print Management checkbox. Click Next, select Install to add the feature. Now the process will take a while, so after it has been added, you can check if the problem still exists. Finally, you need to clear the print spooler service. To do this, open Services application, scroll down and look for Print Spooler, double-click on it, go to the General tab, and check if the service status is running. Now if it is running, click on Stop, then open the Run dialog box, type in the following, then press Enter. Now in the folder that appears, delete all its contents, and after that, return to the Print Spooler service again, click Start to restart it, and ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. Finally, click Apply, then click OK to save your changes. And those are the simple ways on how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.